Hi there, if your keycard no longer works or you have a flat battery, can't get back into your car, don't panic, I have a solution for you. All you need is to press the little button on the keycard and you can pull out the emergency key. The emergency key will let you back in your car. You need to insert the key into the slot of the cover, and after you remove the plastic cover, you can put the key inside and close and open the door. And you're in. You're free to go. This key is very useful if you're in the middle of nowhere and you cannot visit a store or a gas station to buy a new battery for your key card. So we will just close the door again, and in reverse you can put back the plastic cover. Make sure that you hear the click when you push the plastic cover back, just to be sure not to lose it later on. I hope that this video was helpful for you, and see you next time.